Hey guys, and welcome to JBS Garage. Sorry I haven't been uploading for a while. I'll have an update video soon explaining everything for that. But for now, let's get into some actual stuff that you guys want to be seeing. Now, you'd probably assume that we're working on this thing here with sick pink wheels. But no, we're not. Today, we're working on something a lot better than this. Well, arguably a lot better, depending on whose perspective. But if you know what you're on about, you'll know what we're on about. Because today, we're working on a MK3 Fiesta 1.1 with a 1.3 lump. Got a lot of plans for it, not my car. Owner is a fucking G, also rides a motorbike. Big up the bike gang. And yeah, this thing is a fucking beast. It's carb, it's not fuel injected, it's too old for that bullshit. And yeah, this thing is a ducking machine. So on today's episode of JBS Garage, we are fitting lowering springs on the Fiesta. So we've already made a start here on the rear. We've got the lower shock mount undone, top one's come loose. This is the general condition of everything now. You can see that bump stop looks like shit as well, all that's deteriorated. It all looks like ass, cobwebs everywhere, but this is all getting cleaned up, and that's just the rears. We have got fronts as well. Ooh. And yeah, so this is going to be a step-by-step guide. Of course, we just wanted to see how to do it on this side, so I'm not telling you from this one. When we do the other side and when we do the front, you're going to know the lot. So, just got this side on. It's looking pretty mint, yeah. It doesn't look very low right yet, but just ignore that for now, yeah. It will look low, right? So, yeah. Now it's time to show you guys how it's fucking done. So the first step is, obviously, jack up your car, right? Boom. Piece of piss. Second step, get these wheels off. This is a Fiesta, so these are 19s. Let's do it.
Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames.
So now, next step, just gotta fucking kill the spiders, yeah. I'll do that 19mm back there. So, got that fucking bolt out. There you go. Don't need that. Throw it in the bin. Don't do that because you need it in a minute. The next thing you need to do is undo the top hat, which you can't see through the window. So there it is. Just that one bolt through the middle. And what that does, that releases the whole spring and everything. So, yeah, pretty fucking easy. There's no scary springs in this one. No. Top hat bolts undone. As you can see, it's just gone ping, and as it's gone ping, everything's come loose. You can see it's a bit tight there, because you just need to use your old foot, push that down and remove the strap. So I'm just going to do that there. Oops, I wiggled it the wrong way. 1 second, guys.
In a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna regret this.
Here we are, got the shock body here, coil there. Let's put the fucker on. Done. Ready. Boom. See that? So you have to get the coil lined up in there with that seat, and that one should line up at the top automatically. Got to turn that round to fit the top hat with that side. So it goes that way in, so that side should also be facing the same way, which already is, saving me the effort. Right, now what you've got to do is you've got to insert the top back up into that gap there, right? And then from there, you've got to squeeze this down with your foot like you see me taking it off, get that end in, and bolt that bolt back on. So I'm going to get to that right now. Right, so the next thing now, you need to lower the car down onto the wheel, yeah, with that, to put the top hat bolt back in, right? Because it's compressing itself rather than us having to use spring compressors, which is fucking awesome, right? But there's one thing for that, which is the fact that we need to get the wheel on. So we're doing that now. So the socket just got stuck in the wheel from the gun. Lol. Fuck's sake. See. Right, we're not using that socket again, are we? Yeah. Fuck. So that's it. Top mount bolts back in. It's time to drop this bad boy down. Right. So currently, it's sitting pretty high still. Yeah? And these are 40mm lowering springs, and this was the standard ride height still.
50mm.
Well, 50mm, sorry. So, nah, after we give it a good old bounce, I reckon it'll go down. Just bounced on it. It's gone down by about a centimetre. Nah, by about an inch. Yeah, it's getting lower. So we started doing the front, yeah, and we were going to do this side just so we know how to do it properly to do the other side and show you guys, right? And we made one vital error at the start, so I'm going to advise you guys now on the front of your Fiestas to not do this, yeah, right? And undo your top mount last, because now we can't bash against anything to get that off, right? To get the lower bit of the shock off, but we can't get the top mount back up. We tried everything, we've been jacking it up and everything from underneath, but we cannot get that back in. We cannot center it, and we cannot get it to come up even when we do center it, because it just goes back down. So yeah, that's always good. What a piss take. So we've just left Callums now, and yeah, we just have to get food, me and Lauren, because yeah, we're coming back to it tomorrow. That fuck up has cost us a lot of time. We probably would have had that whole side off by now, and maybe be doing the other side right now, but you know, let's not live and dwell on the past. We're just gonna have to come back tomorrow and bust out the big guns to get it off. The old special machine. Yeah. Here McDonald's just got the double Big Mac. It's a fucking beast. Gonna have to hold it upside down for a sec to take a bite, but banging. I can't lie, it's absolutely banging. So it's a new day, and we're going back to do some more work on the Fiesta now. I mean, obviously Lauren ain't working on the Fiesta, but I will be with Callum, and Lauren will be there for emotional support, doing what she does best. So we're here, we're back with the Fiesta, and I think it's time we cracked on with that spring. That spring. It's the last one left because Callum fixed that problem. Basically, I've just got here, me and Lauren have, but overnight, this guy, he's fitted everything up. As you can see, lowering spring installed right there. So that's this side buttoned up. Now, I've got to show you how to do this side. As you can see, still got the black shitty spring. So yeah, the final corner. Wheels off, just undoing the lower shock assembly now. The old pinch bolt, just because, you know, got to do that. And this time, as you can see, the top hat's still done up. So we're not losing anything. Would you look at that? We've actually done it properly this time. Now this, boys and girls, is where your life becomes at risk majorly. Spring compressors. The scariest tools known to man. Whoa, real bad man, taking this off with my actual hands. No impact gun, no nothing, mate. We ain't no pussies here, we take it off with our bare hands. Don't lose any of your bearing or anything, guys. Need the bearing on the front. And boom. So,
V12 as well.
Is it V12 Aston Martin? Oh, so it's just started making some noises that I'm supposed to be putting the top hat on, so we're taking the spring compressors off before we start trying to, like, you know, run from the scene of a fucking bomb. Oh, that one's a bit loose. I'm just gonna get it completely loose and get the fucker off. Right, there's one. Yeah, fuck that 1.3 Fiesta, mate. He dicked me. I ain't ever racing him again. That's what the Aston would be saying.
I wanna get
So that's it. Bolt's going up. Straight to the fucking nut. I'm one of the big boys now. I'm up there at Adam Mills. No, don't look too wide low right now, yeah? So it does. The back settled on the rear and the other side so much last that it looks sick, right? So just ignore the fact that it looks high right now, because it won't be in like an hour or two. Springs need to settle for a while after you buy them, yeah? That takes up to like 2 days to fucking 2 weeks, do you know what I mean? Does it in its own time. But they settle, it gets lower. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. I know what you're saying. Bunch of fucking pricks. I am fucking Iron Man. You just see that, yeah? I am Iron Man. Oh, drop the drug on the floor. That's what the noise was. I thought it was your brakes. Hook back on now. So don't forget to subscribe for more Mark 3 Fiesta content, or golf content, or Secret 600. Oh, I nearly gave it away then. Secret 600cc project. But stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.